Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're continuing with Halachot in Siman Kuf Lamed Daled. Yesterday we spoke about Marei HaKetav. Today we're going to speak about VHu Rachum. Maram brings down that we have a minhag of being marbim tachronim on Sheni v'Chamishi. Obviously now we don't do it because there's no tachronim. And Maran brings down VHu Rachum, and we have to say Bekol Ram v'imlo amaro me'umad over la takana v'nikra poretz kader. So rule number one, VHu Rachum should be said out loud. What does that mean? A lot of times you'll realize that when VHu Rachum is said, right, let's say for example you have a few shulchet tzibur, they'll get up there and then they say it quietly. It's not true. Everything has to be said out loud. That is the VHu Rachum. Number two, it has to be said standing up. Why does it, if you do not say it standing up, you're called poretz kader, you're breaching the fence. So the Mishnah actually here brings down that this is based upon a miracle that happened. Why do we say VHu Rachum at all? So there was a miracle. So listen to this miracle. The miracle is brought down in the Sefer Manig, and he says also in the Orchot Chaim Lara'ah, right, Rabbi Aaron Halevi comes and he says like this. They bring down a story that happened during Mizman Churban Bait Sheni. There was a ship, Besfina Achat, Shigla Aspasianus. Aspasianus came and he exiled the ship. And there was a lot of Yehudim that they were Toshei Yerushalayim. Ubenehem Shosha Zekenim an Sheshem. There were 3 Zekenim on the ship. So he says, V'gia Sfinatam Lemakom Galut, Etzel Mamshelet Egmon Echad. So the ship arrived to a certain place where there was the ruler. Ve'amar li Shosha Zekenim. So he told us the 3 Zekenim, Retzonim lanasot etchem bekivshan esh, kemo leChananya Mishael v'Azariah. I want to test you out. I want to put you in the furnace, just like Hananiah, Mishael, v'Azariah was in the furnace. V'amru lo, so they told him, Ten lanu zman 30 yom, give us 30 days. V'natan lahem, v'itanu, they were fasting. Uvchol yom, ma shechalam echad mehem, sipeh lekulam. Every day, whatever one person dreamed, they went and they told the other ones. There was one of them that was very yirechet, but he wasn't that smart. So he went, he was very yirechet, but he wasn't a big chacham. So he went and he told the other 2 big zekenim, he told them, he says, listen, I had a dream. It was written, they showed me a pasuk. Twice in the pasuk it was written ki, and 3 times in the pasuk it was written lo. But I don't know what the pasuk was. I don't know what it is. Amar lo echad me'azekenim shechacham haya. So the zaken that was a chacham, he said, Bevadai eru lecha pasuk b'Yeshaya. They showed you a pasuk in Yeshaya. The pasuk is in Perek Mem Gimel pasuk bet. Ki ta'avor b'mayim itecha ani. Right, when you're going to pass through water, I'm with you. Uvene'arot lo yishtefucha. Right? When you're passing by the rivers, you're not going to be drowned. Ki telech b'mo'esh lo tichveh. When you're going to go into a fire, you won't be burnt. V'le'ava lo tiva becha. And the flames will not come and consume you. V'lachen, and he says, Ata v'dai tikanesh, for sure you're going to go in the furnace, and you're going to be saved. Why? They're going to make a nes min hashamayim. Higia azman, it came the time, ve'asu avdei agmon eshkudor, they made a big fire, and that zaken shehu shechalam nichnas rishona letoch haesh v'nechlak haesh lishlosha chalakim. They went into the fire, and the fire split into 3 parts. V'nichnesu elav shnei hazekenim ha'acherim, and the other 2 came into him as well. V'alalu shimchu laHashem yitbarach. They went and they praised the Kadosh Baruch Hu. V'itkinu VHu Rachum, and they were the ones that instituted the VHu Rachum prayer that we say every Monday and Thursday. Ha'echad amar ana melech rachum v'chanun. The first one said, look, until when are you such a passionate, compassionate king? Hashani says, Ana melech rachum v'chanun, until ki el melech rachum v'chanun ata. And the Shishi says, En kamocha chanun v'rachum, until el melech rachum v'rachum. V'kulam matchilim b'rachum, u'misaymim b'rachum. You always start with rachum, and you finish with rachum. So he says that they only instituted this on Mondays and Thursdays, Shu Yom HaDedina, which that is the day of judgment, Ad Kan Divrehem. So this is brought down already in the Rishonim, the Sefer Manig, and the Sefer of the Orchot Chaim. And therefore he says that these are very, very important days, and that's why we come and we add in supplications. That's why we add in tefillot. This is the basis of our tefillah that we say every Monday and Thursday of VHu Rachum.